Hey, what is going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a quiz funnel using the HBA funnel builder. Okay, so you're going to be able to collect leads before sending them to your affiliate offers. All right, so this is the back end of my HBA funnel builder. I'm going to show you real quick how we can get this quiz funnel started. So in the back end, and by the way, I'm going to leave a link down below so that you can join the HBA funnel builder. It is an affiliate link. I do earn a small commission, and I do appreciate if you actually use my link to join the HBA funnel builder. Right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go here to where it says funnels. You want to click on that, and we're going to go ahead and create a new step, or add a new step actually. But before I do, I want to get rid of this here. So this is actually going to be the name of my funnel. So add new step, add page. And as you can see, there's a ton of different templates that the HBA funnel builder offers. I actually have a video showing you all these templates, exactly how they work, and just pretty much showing you all the templates here. So if you want to check it out, I'm going to leave it up here. And now I'm going to go ahead and select an empty page. And of course, I'm going to name it quiz example. Okay, click on add. And now, as you can see, we have a blank canvas here to get started, right? So now what I want to do is I actually want to go ahead and go here to my notepad, because I have everything that I'm going to be using. All my questions, I have them right here for my funnel. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the first headline here. I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to go add widget. Grab this heading widget and just drag it and drop it right in here at the top part. Okay, paste this. And now what I want to do is I want to highlight everything, go to paragraph, center it. The font size, I want to make it 36. And I'm going to go ahead and bold this. And now I want to change the text color to a red. I think that red would do. Okay, maybe a little bit more red. That's perfect right there. Now, as you can see, it has these handles up here that you can go ahead and use to move your headline wherever you want it. So I'm gonna just bring it down a little bit. It's perfect. And now going back here to my notepad, this is gonna be my headline actually. So I'm gonna copy that. Go back here to add widget, and use this text widget right here to drop my second headline right in there. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing, just highlight it, make sure that it's centered, and I want the font size to be 22. I'll go ahead and bold it, and that's fine. It should be perfect right there. Bring it just a little bit down. There we go. All right, perfect. Now, the next thing I want to do is now I want to start adding in my questions. So for that, I'm going to go back here to where it says funnels, or not, actually here to add widget again. And then here, I want to go and select this quiz survey. So I'm going to go ahead and grab and drag this quiz survey right under here. And as you can see, this is the quiz funnel that you can start using. So right here, what I want to do, and by the way, you can customize this any way you want. I'm not really going to do a lot of stuff to it. I'm going to leave it just like this, just make a couple of changes, but really nothing much as far as color and everything. So now what I want to do is I want to grab my first question. So this is it. Do you have an extra 30 minutes per day to work from home? So boom, I'm going to go ahead and just click here where it says edit fields. And by the way, all you have to do is just click in here and it's going to show up like this. Double click, I mean. And for step name, I want to go ahead and name this question 1. Okay, and then click on edit fields. And now what I want to do is where it says step heading and description, I'm going to click on this change button. I'm going to paste in my question right in there. I'm going to get rid of this step description because we don't need it. Right, and now what I want to do is I want to actually put in my answers. So the first answer is going to be yes, absolutely. Go ahead and just copy that. Got that? All right, so the first question, the first answer is going to be yes, absolutely. And then the second one is going to just say no. Okay, so no. And I'm going to get rid of these additional ones. So get rid of this one and get rid of this one. Perfect, right? So now what I want to do is I want to get rid of these images. So as you can see here, it has these two images that we really don't need. So again, just edit fields, and just right here where it has a little flywheel, just click on that and delete the image. All right, do the same one for the second one, delete the image. Perfect. Now, what I want to do is I want to actually get rid of this button because after people decide on an answer, I really don't want them to click any buttons to continue. They should just automatically continue. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and actually, this is here. So this flywheel, when you double click when you click once here, this is going to pop up. So just click this flywheel here that says edit settings. And now what you want to do is you actually want to click here, auto advance, right? I want to get rid of this. So I don't want any show back button, and that should be perfect. And now what I want to do here is I actually want to go ahead and link up my get response list. So I already have a list. I already have this set up in the system and everything. Now, if you guys want me to do a video showing you how to do that, then by all means, leave a comment letting me know that, and I'll be happy to make a video showing you how to link up your get response to your HBA funnel builder. All right, so I already have that set up. So all I have to do is just click on get response settings, and I'm going to select the list that I'm going to be using. So this one, all-in-one $25 biz. Click on confirm. And boom, we should be good to go right there, right? Perfect. So the next thing that I want to do is I actually want to add in an image down here. It's just an image, basically showing people that this has been on major channels and everything. So just for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on add widget and drag this image widget right under here. And I already have the image downloaded to my HBA funnel builder. This is it right here. I'm going to go ahead and select it, click select, and boom, as you can see, there is my image right there. Now, if I wanted to stretch it, I could go ahead and click that. It's going to stretch, and all I would have to do is just move it around a little bit just so that you can see the as seen on, because right now you can't see it. But I'm not going to stretch it. I'm just going to leave it the way it was, just like that. And then finally, what I want to add down here is just add a block. So add a footer right down here, because if, for example, if I was to be doing paid advertising to get people to my quiz funnel, then I would need to have some type of disclaimers, affiliate disclaimers, terms and other things, disclaimers. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and use this footer right here. And I'm really not going to make too many changes to this. Just get rid of the logo here because I wouldn't need it. Get rid of the social media icons right here because I wouldn't need them. And I'm just gonna pretend like these are my disclaimers, okay? So I'm gonna pretend like these are my disclaimers. And now the next thing I wanna do is I wanna click on save. Okay, I wanna save up my my work that I've done so far. And now the next thing is I want to actually create my second question. So it has 3 questions, this quiz funnel. And to do that, again, I'm going to go ahead and click on here, edit fields, click on here. And now, as you can see, it has a second step. I'm going to go ahead and rename this question 2. And then click on edit fields. And by default, it's going to have these 2 fields, right? The name of the email, because it would be set up just like if you were going to start collecting your contacts information right off the bat, right after the first question. So I'm not going to do that. I'm actually going to add in a second question. So I'm just going to remove this here, get rid of this. And my question, it's going to be how much you like to earn per day. Okay. So boom, this is going to be my second question. I'm going to go ahead and click here to change. Put in my question in there. Get rid of this step description. And now what I want to do is I actually want to add in a field. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to go ahead and select this multi-choice field and get rid of this checkbox word right there. And now it's going to be, so it's going to be 50 to 100. This is going to be my first answer, so 50 to 100. Okay. Next one is going to be 100 to 250. And the last one is going to be 250 to 500 plus. Right? Now, what I want to do is I actually want to add in the little circle here. I don't know if you remember it in the first question. And to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and click on settings here. And it's going to say show the radio or checkbox icon. So if you see here next to the numbers, when I click this, it's going to actually show here the little circle. It's actually not a circle, it's a little square, but that should be good. And also what I want to do is I want to uncheck this one, can select multiple options, because that's going to get rid of the button down here. We don't need that button. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and actually I'm going to require this field. They actually do have to answer that question. So it should be good right there. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on save, and I'm actually going to add in my third and final question. Okay, so to do that, again, we're going to go here, edit fields. We're going to add in a new step, and this one is going to be called question 3. Okay, question 3, submit. We're going to go ahead, edit fields, and change this. And the question is going to be, would you like to access the work from home system average U.S. citizens are using to earn $250 to $500 per day? Okay. This is going to be right here. Paste that in there. That's perfect. Now add fields. I'm going to go ahead and select multi-choice, yes. And only I think it's only 2 answers, so I'm going to get rid of this third one. Get rid of this checkbox here. Okay, and it's going to say first answer is going to say yes. Okay, paste that in there. And then the second one is going to say no. And again, we're going to do the same thing in the settings. Just click that there, show the radio checkbox icon, and I'm going to uncheck this one and require field. And boom, there we go. We're good to go. So now we have our third and final question. So I'm going to go ahead and click save. Now, the next thing I want to do is I actually want to add in the opt-in form that we had before. So to do that, again, just go back here, edit fields. This is how easy it is, guys, for you to create these quiz funnels using the HBA funnel builder. It's really simple. Now I want to go ahead, add new step, and I'm just going to go ahead and say, so add new step. This one is going to say an opt-in. Okay, click on submit, and I'm going to say please read. Okay, so edit fields, change this here. So instead of opt-in, it's going to say please read. Now it's going to be we're actually going to have the step description in this one. Paste this in. All right. Now I want to go ahead and add in the fields. So for the first one, I want to add in the name. Now this is totally optional, guys, if you are collecting names or just the email. I'm going to go ahead, just for the sake of the video, add in the name and the email. And in settings, I'm not going to make the name required, but I am going to make the email required. Okay, now of course you can go ahead and add in whatever placeholder. So if you want to just put it into your best email or whatever, that would work. And now what I want to do is I actually, let me see here. So I'm going to resize this, make them all in the same line. Okay, and now actually I want to, I think that's fine right there. I'm going to go ahead now, guys, and save this, and I want to show you how it's looking so far. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go in here. As you can see, this is our quiz funnel. Now Do you have an extra 30 minutes per day to work from home? Yes, absolutely. How much would you like to earn per day? So 250 to 500 plus. Would you like access to would you like to access the work from home system average US citizens are using? Yes, absolutely. And then boom, we have here our opt-in form that people can use to put in their name and email address, and we can go ahead and put that in our autoresponder. So for the submit button, I actually forgot to it's gonna say get instant access, right? The submit button. So I'm gonna go ahead, click on edit fields, boom again, and leave. Oh no, so it's actually not there. So it's right here. If you go to the little flywheel, just click on this here, paste that in, get instant access, and we are good right there. Now the final thing, the final step that it's gonna do is after people put in their email address, okay, we're gonna give them the option to check out our affiliate product. Now to do that, we're gonna go ahead and edit fields again and simply click here where it says manage quiz results. And boom, right here, we're gonna leave it on thank you message, okay? So it's gonna say free video reveals the shocking hidden secrets, right? And it's gonna be right here on the title, okay? And then here, we're gonna make this note right here, giving them some scarcity, all right? Gonna be the message right here. And next, or finally, we're gonna go ahead and just give them the call to action to access the video, okay? So it's gonna say, boom, right here. Paste that in there. Now what I wanna do is, right in here, I wanna actually go ahead and add in my affiliate link. Okay, so for that, I'm gonna select external link. And then here, I'm gonna go ahead and copy this. And I'm gonna go in the URL and just add in my affiliate link. Perfect, I'm gonna leave it in the same tab and I'm gonna go ahead and click select. Okay, I'm gonna click on save and then get out of here. And then finally, I'm gonna click on save. Perfect, so now I'm gonna show you exactly how this funnel would work, right? So now we're gonna answer the first question. Yes, absolutely. How much would you like to earn per day? So, more than 500 bucks. Would you like to access the work from homes? Yes, hell yeah, I would. And now people are gonna put in their email in here. I mean, their name and email. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say Cisco and put this in here. And now next I'm gonna click on get instant access. So now people have given me their name and their email address. And now for the thank you page, they're gonna be taking here to where it says free video reveals the shocking hidden secrets, the $500 to $750 per day at home. And then it has the scarcity note right here. So they're gonna click on access the video. Now, of course, you can make this look way better. I just wanted to show you what you can do with this funnel builder. So they're gonna click on access the video and then boom, they're gonna be taken to your affiliate product. So there you have it, guys. That's how the Home Business Academy funnel builder works. If you want to create your quiz funnels, your survey funnels. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like the video. Make sure you also subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell icon so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. With that said, guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.